Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Friday here in the Philippines, and I will be sewing more face masks today. And I will ask my friend tomorrow to pick them up, and they'll be the one to distribute it to the frontliners, whoever need them. So, yeah, join me in my sewing process. Alright, so here's my mask. I'll be using this one as my guide. So this will serve as our guide. And we'll give it a little bit of allowance. So we have 3 inches here, 5 inches, and 5 inches here, and with those 6 inches on this side, right? So my fabric is ready. So I will do this way. So when I open it, it will show the image. So fold this way when we cut, because this will be the front side. So we'll put it here, and then okay, so this will be the front. You open it, you'll get the image. Okay, we have now the 2 pieces. So we have this piece, cover with that, and lastly, let's proceed sewing them. Now we're ready. Okay, here's my sewing machine. This was the one I'll be using. So let's get started. We're facing that way, so we can do back to back, and the middle one will be in the end. So yeah, so when we flip it, it's automatic. So this one, we have to sew here and here, both ends, but we have to leave the middle open so we can flip it. Okay, so we just left the middle open. We'll just use a pen to flip this. Here's our mask. Have to wash it, of course. So this is literally back to back. You can do this way. There you go. And remember, we left this one open. So we have to close it, sew it by hand. I made 12, one for me and one for Dave, and I'll be giving this 10. So thank you for watching and keep safe. Bye!